Hi guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're doing just a quick review on this Zevo flying insect trap and cartridge. This is really one of the most popular things out there right now. This thing is fantastic. If you can see here, it picks up all kinds of bugs and flies and little fruit flies, which is really one of the biggest thing here. It's got the little blue UV light in the back. Plug and play, super simple, easy to change the cartridge. You don't have to touch any bugs at all. I love that. You can see the blue in the background here, which looks really interesting, and it's the brand right there, which is nice quality. Again, all you have to do is plug it in and leave it alone, and it catches all kinds of things. You just don't realize it. Just slides right out. That's how you change the cartridge. I definitely love this item, so you're definitely going to go ahead and purchase it. I think it's one of the best things you can invest in, honestly. I really do. 100%. Yes, I agree. 1000%. This is really one of the best items. I'll show you the bugs in the back here. It's actually pretty nasty, but it's really important to keep your house clean, full of insects, especially fruit flies, small flies. And you can see in the back here, they're all in there. You can see they're all just hanging in there because they all got caught. So I'm definitely going to recommend this 1000%. Go ahead and pick this up. This is the best one out there. I love the UV lights. Nice night light as well. Fantastic. I think you're going to love it. Thanks for watching.